Hi, hello, and how do you do? We all welcome you. This is where we sing and play and learn new things each day. Hi,
Hello everyone, hope you all are good and safe at home. Welcome back to the educational channel. Dear students, today we are going to start our new lesson that is called Tanav the Magician. Unit 8, lesson number 8, Tanav the Magician. So in this video we are going to study about reading the few paragraphs, explanation, new words. This is the first part of the chapter Tanav the Magician. So here you can see the meaning of new words. Take the screenshot and write it down in your English notebook. So these are the given in your textbook also. You can refer the textbook. Avid means keenly interested or enthusiastic. Enthusiastic. Hungry for knowledge means having a strong desire for knowledge. Adamant means stubborn, means refusing to change one's mind. He did not, the person who did not refusing to change, who refusing, the person who don't want to change one's opinion, their mind. Brimming with excitement means overflowing with excitement or very excited. Evil glint means wicked look reflected in the eye with the intention of causing harm. Aghast means filled with horror or shock. It is a interjection like scramble means move in a hurried or disorderly manner. So take the screenshot and write it on your English notebook. So without further delay, let's get started. So here you can see the paragraphs. Unit 8, Tanav the Magician. So before going to start, you should put your finger and also put your in front of you your textbook. Okay. Let's get started. 10 years old Tanav was a very curious child. He wanted to know everything about everything. He was an avid reader and used to spend hours sitting in the library reading. He was always hungry for knowledge, but he had a secret desire too. He wanted to learn magic. So here the main character is called Tanav and his desire was to become magician. Is it? He was 10 years old. Tanav was very curious child. Is it? He wanted to know everything about everything. Means whatever is a secret, magic is the secret, things is there any adventures wanted to know. So he was an avid reader, means very keen interested in reading, and he used to spend hours sitting in the library by to read something new. Is it? So he was always hungry for knowledge, and he had a secret desire that was he wanted to learn magic. Okay, next paragraph. Tanav knew that his parents could not afford Master Gogia Pasha's free. So he kept his dream to himself. When his grandfather came to know about this, he decided to fund the entire course, but Tanav's father was not comfortable. He did not like the idea that his son should learn magic, and that too from Master Gogia Pasha. He believed that Gogia Pasha was not a God fearing man, and that is why he did all this magic. So, in the next paragraph, Tanav knew that his parents could not offer, means Tanav he knew that his parents could not means able to pay the fees of Gogia Pasha. So here Gogia Pasha is a magician, famous magician in their village, in their city, in their town. So he kept that dream to himself, so that he did not say it to their parents. Who? Tanav. But when his grandfather came to know about this, he said to the grandfather, then the grandfather decided to fund, means pay the entire course fee. So but Tanav's father was not comfortable, means uh, he was not comfortable, means he was not agree with that decision to learn the magic with that Gogia Pasha, because he knew that he did not like that idea. Who? His father, Tanav's father, did not like that idea that his son should learn magic. Is there any parents will be agree with the learn the magic? No. Every parent should be desire my son will become doctor, engineer, teacher. It's a very good job, to get a good job, but no one parent should not be like to learn the magic, something like this, is it? So his parents also not ready to send him to learn the magic with that person. Which person? Gogia Pasha. Because his father believed that Gogia Pasha was not a God fearing man, means he was not good person, he was very cruel manner. So that is a way, that is a why he did all this magic. Who? Gogia Pasha did all this magic. It's belief. Whose belief that is? Tanav's father's belief. Next, Tanav was adamant. He somehow convinced his father, and then holding the money in a bag folded under his left arm, he marched to Gogia Pasha's house. He was brimming with excitement. He knocked loudly at Gogia Pasha's front door. But Tanav was adamant, means here he was very he did not want to change his mind, he did not want to change his desire because of his father belief, is it? So he was very strictly, very confidently he wanted to learn magic, so that somehow convinced, means he convinced his father, and then he holding those money back, he went to the march, means he went to Gogia Pasha's house, and he reached brimming with excitement, very full excitement, very excited, with excited he knocked Gogia Pasha's front door. Next, when Gogia Pasha opened the door, he was surprised to see a 10-year-old boy. What do you want? He asked Tanav. So when Tanav knocked loudly front door of the Gogia Pasha's, and then Gogia Pasha opened the door, and he became surprised because small child, 10 years old child knocked, and he asked Gogia Pasha asked to the Tanav, what do you want? What do you want to that child? To that child he asked. Next, Tanav answered broadly. Without fearing, he answered boldly. Boldly means without fear, with daring. With daring he asked, I want to learn whatever you can teach me. In fact, all that you can teach me. So when he asked what do you want, then Tanav boldly he said that I want to learn whatever that you teach me in the magic. In fact, all that you can teach me. Next, Gogia Pasha was surprised. Go away, boy. You cannot afford my fees. So when Tanav answered, then he became surprised. For you can teach you the small child. And then he said that, go away, boy. You cannot afford my fees. Do you know my fees how much? You are not able pay my fee. Then Tanav answered, Sir, quote your fees. I have the money and my name is Tanav, sir. When he said to go back, you cannot pay my fees, then Tanav answered, Sir, you quote your fees, whatever your fees is there, you can quote. I have the money and my name is Tanav, sir. Gogia Pasha quoted a figure and Tanav handed him the bag of money he had been carrying under his arm. So when he quoted a figure means he said one figure, some money which he want, then Tanav had hand over those money bag to him, and by taking those he went. Which one is a carrying? He was carrying, no, that one he has given to Gogia Pasha, that bag which was his grandfather given to him. Is it? Next, Gogia Pasha invited him inside and then led him to a huge hall. The hall had several large windows, making Tanav sit on one of the benches. He said, I am willingly to make you my student, but I am a very strict teacher. I have laid down rules which must be strictly followed. So when Tanav has given the bag of money, then Gogia Pasha invited to him inside and then led him to a huge hall. Means he taken him to the huge hall, and that hall had many large windows, and for Tanav he said to sit one of the bench, and he said that I am willingly wanted to make you my student, but I am very strict teacher and I have some rules which must be strictly followed. Then Tanav, yes master, I am willingly, tell me the rules. Then he said that, okay master, whatever rules are there you can tell me, I will follow you willingly. Next, everyone has to wake up at 6 a.m. and be ready for class by 8 p.m. There is an half an hour break for lunch, after which classes resume till 7 in the evening. So he explained the rules. First rules, everyone has to wake up 6 a.m. morning 6 a.m. and be ready for the class 8 p.m. and there is a half an hour break for the lunch, and after again you should be resume until evening 7 o'clock up to till to 7 o'clock in the evening. Then Tanav nodded his head. I agree master. Tanav nodded means shook. He shook his head. Next. Wait, that is not all. There is a more. When the term ends, the last person who leaves the room will remain my slave for the rest of his life. There was an evil glint in his eyes. So when he said, yes master, I agree those rules, but he continued to tell Gogia Pasha, still he not stopped. Wait, still are there, that much only not rules, still more are there. And then he said that rules, and next one rules, that was, what was that rules? When your term means when your course will be complete and every child was moving, that time who live the last, who remain the last, that should be my slave, that should be become my slave for lifelong. Rest of the life means after the future life, after the lifelong should be become my slave. Then there was an evil glint in his eyes. Whose eyes? Gogia Pasha's very strictly and very glint. Evil glint means very cruel manner with eyes. He said that. Then Tanu was not happy. He now realized that what his father had said about Gogia Pasha as a person was true. Master, that is not a nice rule. It's not fair. So when he said his last rule, Gogia Pasha said his last rule, then Tano was become unhappy, was not happy for that rule, and he remember that his father has said before about a character about Gogia Pasha, because he was not God fearing person, he was evil person, he was not good person, he was very cruel person. Then he remembered what his father has said about Gogia Pasha. That was true. Yes, my father has understood for his character. It's true. Then Tano said that, Master, that is not a nice rule. It's not fair. Then Gogia Pasha was firm. Means he said that, okay, then it is not this one role. You didn't want to agree. Then take it, leave it. Take your money and go back. Live from this place. He said directly, who? Gogia Pasha. So this is the today's paragraphs. So remaining paragraphs we will continue in the next class. I hope you understood. Now take down the homework, write the meaning of new words in English notebook and read the whole lesson and meaning of new words 2 times. Is it clear? Okay, we will continue this story in the next class. Till then, thank you my dear students. Have a nice day.